Oh my goodness, look at these flowers. They just came to the door. They had a beautiful card. And who's it? Let me open it up. Aw, Robin. It says, Happy belated birthday, my friend. Your kindness, patience, and love have meant so much to me. You are so beautiful and in my heart always. I hope your birthday was as special as you are. Lovingly, Robin. Oh my goodness, that is like, it's so special. Oh my gosh. Hi, Bean Beauties. I just wanted to come on here and do a quick little um, video for y'all. Uh, This is just so gorgeous. This came today as a belated birthday gift from Robin Cloverleaf Bags. I'll put her up here, link her down below. She sent me a belated birthday gift, and oh my gosh, the aroma is so gorgeous. They smell so great. They have all kinds of different flowers on here. They're already in the vase, and the delivery was excellent. He waited. I wasn't expecting anything, so I wasn't ready to go to the door yet. And I said, I'm coming. And he waited for me. So he was so kind. And I was like, oh, they're gorgeous. And you could, when I opened the door, you could just get a whiff of all of the beautiful um, flowers. And I'll put in a little video up here of when I first got it, just to let y'all know. But I just wanted to come on here just really quickly and tell Robin, thank you properly. Thank you so much for the flowers that you sent me. I greatly appreciate it. In our household, we celebrate all month long, whether it's the month before your birthday, the month after your birthday, and during that birthday month as well too. So because we have such a big family and it's hard to get together with everybody, so we just celebrate until everybody gets their congratulations, their happy birthdays, their whatever it is the occasion in, until we can get everybody can get them in, and there you go. It's never too late to celebrate a birthday, anniversary, a thank you, sympathies, anything like that. When it comes to your mind and it's on your heart to send something small, even if it's a text saying, "Hey, I'm sorry I missed your birthday," what have you, then we do that. We do that. Alrighty, Robin. Thank you very much. Thank you, Bean Beauty, so much for coming by and checking out my wonderful gift from Robin from Cloverleaf Bags. Love you, Robin. Love you, Bean Beauty. See you on the flip side.